Hi, intermediates. Welcome back. It's story time. It's Tuesday's story time. Find a spot you like a lot, crisscross applesauce, and get ready for flowers. The crocus blooms when spring appears. You will see here the inside of the flower. The parts are the stamen, which is the yellow, the orange, which is the pistil, and the blue on the outside are the petals. The stamens are the part that has the pollen on them. That's what makes everyone sneeze if you have allergies. Many flowers smell nice and have pretty colors. They attract insects. The insects like to eat the nectar or the pollen. Even butterflies do. Here you see the butterfly, the bees, taking pollen. And what they do next, pollen gets on their legs. Then the insects carry the pollen to the pistil of the next flower. And when they keep doing that, more flowers start growing. All flowers make seeds so that new plants can grow. This yellow flower here is the dandelion. When it starts to bud, it becomes a flower. Then the insect leaves pollen on its pistils. Then afterwards, the petals dry up. And then the seeds are ready to pop out. You've seen these puffy white seeds. They fly in the air when it's a windy day. This is a strawberry plant. It has green buds and it opens up into little flowers. You see here, the little flowers with the leaves? But something happens to those flowers. Look what happens next. The flowers become fruit. The fruit grows inside the center of the flower, and soon the petals fall off. Now you can see ripe, yummy strawberries, and they can get packed up in your snack box. All fruits come from flowers. The fruits have the seeds. Here's an apple. You see the branch and the leaves and the flowers? There was flowers on the apple tree. You see the eggplant? The leaves and the flower? There were flowers on the eggplant. And then we have vegetables. You have the green bean plant. Look at that. The green bean's at the bottom with a red flower. Sometimes you can see parts of certain flowers to make foods, spices, and even teas. Saffron is a plant, cloves is a plant, and also artichoke is a plant that we eat. Chamomile is for tea. You have a lime plant over here near the tea kettle. And on the bottom you have capers. Those are used for cooking too. We have a sage plant or flower, orchids, foxglove, violet, clover, irises, and bluebells. These are all different flower plants with all different colors and all different petals and all different shapes. Sunflowers are very big plants. They grow in very big fields. Look at that. And if the sun moves, so do the sunflowers. They turn around. The sunflower gets its name from the way the blossoms turn to follow where the sun moves. The flowers in a flower shop or an Acme, they all are grown by scientists called horticulturists. Can you say that? Horticulturists. A horticulturist specifically grows special plants and tries to make them special colors. In the countryside, you may see the same flowers just growing outdoors. They're so beautiful. Now, on a white piece of paper or any paper, if you want, you can do this activity. Go outside in your backyard or when you're walking with your grown-up and look for some type of flowers growing in the grass, like over here. If you see one, pick one up. When you get home, put it on the paper and fold the paper. Squish it together, and you will see a nice color that's left on the paper. Edelweiss and bright blue gentians are wild mountain flowers. They are very rare. You will not see them in Yorktown. You will not see them in New York, probably. But you must never, ever pick them up. They are special and rare and must stay protected. And everyone just loves a beautiful bouquet of flowers that you see right here. These are tulips. Those you can find around here in Yorktown or where you live. The end. I hope you loved the story about flowers, and soon you will see a lot of them popping up around your neighborhood or outside in front of your house or even your backyard.